Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, we will see how to enter into a recovery mode for my Ubuntu compute instance. So, there was some issue with my Ubuntu compute instance, some problem was there. So, there was a requirement to enter in the recovery mode, do some configuration settings, changes, and then go back to the normal one. Okay, so there was some problem with related to the permission of the sudo, and for this I need to enter into my Linux compute instance in a recovery mode. Okay, so in order to proceed further, check out my previous lectures, previous videos for how to take a serial console connection. So without wasting our time, so let's begin this video. Okay, so first we need to log into our OCI console. Oops, sorry. So when you log into your console, you will have interface like this. Go to your compute instance where you want to have a serial console connection and a VNC access, and entering to the rescue mode or the recovery mode. Go to the blockchain. This is the first VM we are trying to do so. Okay, so go to the console connection. I do already have my console connection ready. So those who want to know how to create a console connection, check out my other video which I've created particularly for the console connection. So I do already have my handy my VNC connection for Linux Mac, which I have copied over here. Okay, so there we go. So if I, although I've copied this same, it hasn't been changed, so I'm using the same one. So in addition to the command, so this was a command where I need to supply my SSH key. Okay, so two places, first is here, and second after this SSH proxy in a proxy command. Okay, so let's do this, copy this command, terminal window, and do not forget to enter to the directory where you have SSH keys, cd management keys. Let's paste this command over here. Okay, so we will be taking the VNC access. There we go. So open the VNC viewer. It's localhost 5000 connected. Great. So we have connected to our VNC access, VNC viewer. Okay, so what else we need to do further? Okay, so we need to enter into the recovery mode for this Linux instance. So just go back to the console, just click on the reboot option. This will reboot your compute instance, and so this will show you how to proceed further. So this will show you the progress. Just wait for a while. So this will show you the progress. So once the machine goes down, this will show you the progress. Please allow some time. Okay, so the power down. Next it will boot. So make sure you press the escape keys to enter in the boot menu and for the recovery. So press the escape option. So once you press the escape button in your laptop, some modern keyboards or the systems provide to enter using the escape. Some provides the right shift keys. So please choose whatever suits in your operating system, okay, and the machine. But these are the two popular ways to basically enter into the boot menu. Okay, so just navigate to the boot manager, select the UEFI boot block volume, but make sure you press escape immediately to select the proper recovery option. Okay, press the enter, press escape. Sorry, so this was I pressed a couple of times, so just exit, enter, escape. Now you have to select the second option, advanced options for Ubuntu. There we go. So select the second option for the recovery mode. In this particular case, make just for the knowledge, I'm using Ubuntu Linux 1804. Okay, so just press the enter and please allow some time. You have to be quick towards the pressing of the escape button, and be careful how many times you press it. So it is loading. Okay, so you can see some jumbled string kind of stuff is here, so don't worry about that. Just press the escape button again one more time, and then the rest of the stuff has gone. You need to click on the dropped root shell prompt, press enter, and there we go. On the bottom side you can see you have to give root password for the maintenance or control D to continue. I have my root password set, so it will be asking for the root password. If you don't have, you need to enter only. Okay, so I have my root password. Okay, so now there we go. So I have successfully entered to the bash shell of my compute instance. Okay, so this way we have entered to the rescue or the maintenance mode or the recovery mode of my Ubuntu Linux instance. Now the problem was some sudo specific privileges which I can show you. This is the normal commands which you can execute. Okay, so the problem was Ubuntu users US have been permission denied, or the user must be owned by UID 0, or the sudo user bin sudo must be owned by UID 0 and have a set UID bit set. So the solution is, couple of solutions are there. Please execute these commands in this chronological order. Okay, so I'm not going to execute this because I have already set all this stuff. So when I executed these commands, another problem came when I logged into my compute instance. It shows error in etc sudo conf. So for this purpose I need to execute these couple of commands again to reach up to that level. Okay, so by this way I have entered to my compute instance in a recovery mode, and I've executed these commands in order to regain my sudo privileges uh, to my Ubuntu user. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.